Hey you guys, it's September 19 and it's, what time is it? Okay, it's 12:09 p.m. So, the weather is crazy today, kaya hindi muna ako naglaba. And actually, I am attempting to vlog today. The weather. So guys, update sa aking rejuvenating journey. This is my face. Medyo madilim, no? So that's how it is. So yeah, this is the update. So this is the reality, guys. Yo. Okay, so welcome to Walang Ganap series. Bumiling pandesal. So, this is my morning skincare, guys. After kong mag-rejuve, ito na yung ginagamit ko pang maintenance. Yung kanilang premium brightening facial foam. And syempre, yung akin laging ginagamit na brightening sunscreen ng Fair Skin. This is a good combo, guys. So, try nyo. Look at my skin. It's glowing. Obviously, wala pa akong nilalagay dyan. Ito lang. Syempre, walang kilay. So guys, I'll just put the link at the description box if you are interested. Parang lalabas na si Mr. Sun. Ang aking sinampay. Hopefully, hindi na siya umulan. Time check, guys. It's 11:20. It's 1:20 p.m. Sinampay is in. Ayan, guys. Umulan. Kaya kailangan muna sila dyang ilagay sa may tanikala. And another here. Sino nakaka-relate? Okay guys, it's 3 p.m. and I am heading out in a bit. I'll just have some snacks and then siguro grocery na rin after kasi we're running out of stocks na. We're running out of supplies. And kailangan ko nang mag-grocery. Very quick lang. Sensya na guys, ang ingay. May nagpupok. May nag-aayos yata sa baba. I don't know. Well, anyway. Mag-aayos lang ako and I'll see you later. Okay guys, let's go. I don't know if pumayat ba ako talaga or sadyang lumuluwag lang itong pants ko. Pero luwag niya guys, grabe. And I need to buy gloves kasi look at guys, yung nabili kong gloves sa DIY. Wala kasi yung isa kong binibili. It's not available and large pa to. Yun niya, no? Ilang gamit ko pa lang. Nasira na siya and nagdidikit-dikit siya. This is the worst gloves na nabili ko. Mura lang naman siya, pero yung binibili ko rin kasi na kasing price din niya is mas maganda dito, mas makapal. So, wala lang akong choice. Kasi hindi ako makapaglaba pag walang gloves. Ako lang ba guys? Kailangan may gloves talaga ako. Hindi ako sanay. Or let's say, nasanay na talaga ako nang may gloves ako whenever I do the laundry. Okay. Let's go. Nagugutom na ako, guys. And that's it. Great for nuggets. Yan ang aking snacks. Parang napaka-zoo. And fries. Coke float. Watson! And gloves. Okay guys, I'm finally back home. Actually, it's 6 p.m. What I got, dumaan lang ako ng SM store. Nagpabili ng slippers si Bibing and then yung aming vitamins and kineme and yung aming groceries. Ayan. Buti na lang guys, nagdadala ako lagi ng tote bag kasi pag Wednesday pala is may bayad yung mga plastic nila. It's another day again guys and I'm gonna end my walang ganap series here kasi wala na tayong ganap, but look at the weather. Ay, hindi pala kita. Ayan, makulimlim na naman siya. Meron kasing low pressure and there. So, that's it you guys. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you again in my next one. Stay safe. Bye!